The brand new Oscal Pad 13 with impressive specifications will be available to order on AliExpress from April 17, and that's exactly from tomorrow until April 21st with huge discounts. So let me briefly introduce it. To provide an impressive way to enjoy entertainment, Oscal Pad 13 is reinforced with this large 10.1-inch screen with a high resolution of 1200 by 1980 pixels and a screen-to-body ratio of 81%, providing almost 2K naked eye high-def visual experience for streaming your favorite show, playing with friends, or hanging out with family via video calls. For the ultimate audio experience, it will come with dual-box speakers with a Smart K. For everyday photography needs, the Pad 13 could defy the conventions of tablet photography. 30-megapixel rear camera will be used for crystal clear video recording of work meetings and lectures. Considering users' highly battery demands, the Pad 13 is accepted to have a 7680 mAh battery with up to 9 hours of daily use at 80 watts fast charging, meaning users can stream up to 4 hours of video, 5 hours of gaming, or 6 hours surf the internet without worrying about losing the energy. Oscal Pad 13 improvements won't just stop at batteries. The top comes with a great octa-core Unisoc T660 chipset that enables even the toughest work tasks to be performed smoothly and faster, from video editing to faster streaming. In addition, it is possible to get 6GB RAM extension of 1TB TF support on the base, 8GB of RAM and 256GB of RAM, which means up to 70% speed improvement with 14GB of RAM for multitasking while gaming or working. Ensuring a smooth user experience, Pad 13 will pre-install docOS 3.0 based on Android 12. From a wireless keyboard to mouse support, the Pad 13 is set to have a PC mode which turns tablet into a desktop computer in seconds. And for the one who wants to draw a while by hand on the tablet, the Pad 13 will come with a free stylus which has an ultra-low latency for a natural writing experience while taking notes in class or creating business plan in a preloaded note-taking app. And finally, the most important thing to repeat is how to be able to order the Pad 13 on AliExpress from April 17, and that's exactly from tomorrow until April 21st with huge discounts. Now is your chance to get this phenomenal tablet at a great price. Do it tomorrow. The official sales links is just below this video. That will be all for now. See you soon with some new discounts. Bye.